This will already be his 7th year in Snow White.
Use your handkerchief.
Away from the pantomime, Josh still lives with his mum, and around the corner from his granddad.
I wish she'd stop drawing them curtains though.
He's part of a successful dynasty of performing dwarves. Both his mum and granddad were Ewoks in the original Star Wars films.
In my family, there's 3 generations of dwarfism. I've got my granddad, and then here my mum. They've done Star Wars, Harry Potter's.
Together, they make a living, hiring themselves out for events and parties. And as well as the family business, there's always panto work for Josh.
We've never had to audition, whereas some people like dancers are going to have to audition. I'm sent an agent ring, asking if I'm available, if I'm up for it. If I am, then that's my name down for it.
I think she's dead. Let's have...
This year, Josh is playing the part of Sniffly,